Hey guys, we're out at our new house we're moving to. We got a delivery coming today. We can't wait. We're so excited. Good morning, everyone. This is Cactus Trees Homestead. I'm Ramaya. Taking a trip out to my parents' house today, where we're moving out to. Got another load. We're almost ready to move out there. Got a special surprise today, and we're really excited to get it and be a good investment for our future, we think. So here we go. All right, guys. FedEx truck has just left.
Hey guys, so I just got a phone call from Mariah, and he said that we just got a delivery out of the house. So I am on the road right now, and I'm gonna go check it out with him. And this is a very, very much anticipated delivery that we've been waiting on for several months. So I can't wait to share it with you guys. See you later.
All right, guys. We got it in. Let's see what it is. Ready?
Clue number one.
Clue number two. Here's all the trays it came with. Our sales rep, he gave us 4 extra trays. Instead of the 4 that it comes with standard, he gave us 4 more.
We had to wait 2 months for this, so we're super excited. It's been a long wait.
Long wait. Now, the moment we're all waiting for.
Oh.
Ta-da! Finally got our freeze dryer. Talk about a beast. We only got the medium. We started with the large, but I didn't feel like running a dedicated line and all that, so we just switched to the medium. But we are stoked. That looks crooked because you got to take it out and hook it all up. It looks good. We've been seeing a lot of horror stories about people ordering them lately, so we're kind of nervous, but it looks good. I don't know. We'll find out. All right, now we're going to haul it to its new location down the stairs, and we'll get back to you. Yay! You're yay!
Perfect.
Okay, so Harvest Rite has 3 different pumps. We chose the middle of the way pump. They have the first pump, you have to change the oil every 2 or 3 cycles. This one, how many cycles is it?
You can go a whole month without changing.
Yeah,
So
about a month.
30 days.
30 days before we have to switch out the oil. And then they also have the higher end one, which is a completely oilless pump. So it's pretty cool. Okay, so it's been several days since our Harvest Right was delivered. It actually was delivered right in the middle of us moving. A couple days ago, I cut up some strawberries and some bananas and got them all prepped, and we're gonna go ahead and show you that now.
Perfect.
Gotta wait 2 days for this stuff. You better like it, or else.
All right, the bananas and strawberries are done. It's time to pull them out and see how they taste.
We're so excited!
You excited?
Hi guys! Oh wait, it's recording!
Okay, can you do a recording of your face the whole
I didn't know you recorded it. I'll switch a better view. Hold on. There we go. You ready, man?
All right, let's take them out.
We gotta... Okay, I'll get back. We have to let the drain valve loose. Or something like that. I don't know.
Release the pressure from the
You do
drain
it, Mom.
valve. So we can open the door. There they are.
Oh!
How exciting!
That's crazy.
They did kind of stick together. That's what I was worried about.
Bananas. Bananas.
Everybody. So how's it taste?
Like a strawberry.
How's it taste, babe?
I haven't tried the banana one.
They're like the outside mama.
Mm-hmm.
It's not very flavorful.
It's not.
Like, well,
All right, here's the bananas.
it has toothpaste flavor.
Honest opinion.
I like the bananas. They're still a little chewy.
Are they? So they're not quite done?
Yeah.
Mm.
It may just be because of reconstituting.
Grayson.
All right, let's see what you think.
Try strawberry.
Oh, they are tart.
Yeah, the strawberries are real tart.
The bananas are good.
Bananas are good though.
Maybe get that.
These look a little drier than these.
Yeah.
So what do you want to try next?
More Skittles.
Pickles.
Pickles.
We have pickles in the freezer right now, so we are gonna try pickle chips. So
These pickles. More Skittles.
Connor wants to try Skittles.
We ate all the Skittles already.
We did try Skittles. We're actually you're able to put Skittles in right after a long batch and do what's called a piggyback batch of Skittles. So I think I'm going to do that right now. So anyway, there's the pickles. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see y'all later.
Peace out!